you're not supposed to take them off. If you take them off, they're good.
Washed all of our chiles. We're just gonna dry them up, and I am going to roast them. To steam. Okay, so we're gonna peel the skin and then we're gonna de-seed it. I don't know. It seems like this. We're gonna use this cheese. We're often with other things besides just the regular cheese, and this one, and then we're gonna batter with it. Some bacon because we're gonna put the bacon in. I'm gonna add some softened like that much. We're gonna add our cheese. We want it, so we're gonna add a lot of it. And this is the bacon. That way, I guess it can have the name. Some cornmeal. So I'm gonna do. All right, guys. So we have flour here. The corn dog batter, and then
Ring it, you gotta turn it off and turn it back on.